So I just click on the start recording option and let me know that you guys can able to view my screen clearly now. Okay. So I just click on the start sharing option now. Okay. So basically, what do you mean by like Azure? Okay. Azure is nothing but everything will be on the cloud. How exactly we are putting the things on the cloud? Okay. So what is the main purpose of using that cloud? So we'll discuss about the basic concept of Azure, Azure fundamentals. Okay. Why do we have to do the certification of Azure and why do we need it? And how do you do that one? Where do we have to go and start the main questions? Okay, so what is basically Azure certification? If we do that certification, what is the main purpose of that one? So we'll discuss everything in detail, and then once you do that one, what will be going to happen in your future? So basically, if you have, for example, 0 to 2 years of experience, we suggest you to go with this Azure, like fundamental certification. And then if you have basic 2 years of experience in any networking domain or any domain, I suggest you to go with this 2 to 4 years experience associate certification. And then if you have at least 4 years of experience, then I suggest you to go with an expert level certification. So let's just start about this fundamental of this one Azure. Why do we have to use this one? Okay, so this Azure certification exam have a different types. Okay, so I'm just talking today about the fundamental of Azure. Why do we have to do that certification? What is the main purpose of doing that certification? So let's just start now. Okay. Since this exam is at 900 Microsoft Azure certificate exam. If you don't have any experience in any domain, we suggest you to go with this certificate because this is an entry level certification. Okay. Now let's just start from there. In this certification, we have a basic concept. Okay, so like a fundamental certification have a thing like Azure services, what we're going to discuss in detail, Azure workload, security and the privacy in Azure, as well as the Azure pricing and support. Okay, and this exam costs somewhere around like $99 for this exam. 99 dollars will be there for this exam, and like this exam have like a multiple choice questions also, which I will go to discuss. Okay, so now this exam have the basic concept, like a number one called Azure services, security, privacy, and like about the compliances, and we'll discuss more detail about the Azure pricing and support. But we'll discuss now this one. Okay, Azure fundamental. See, Azure fundamental, what is that one? Why do we have to use that one? Why do we have to choose this certification? What is the main purpose of using that certification? That is what we'll discuss today. If you pass that one, like what is the main, like a benefit you will get once you pass that exam. So that one we'll discuss one by one in detail. So this exam is of $99, and the total questions will be from 40 to 60 questions, and the passing score is somewhere around like 700. And the exam duration is for 85 minutes. Okay, they will be like a multiple choice question, and there will be a drag and drop question in that exam. Okay, once I move further from there, what is cloud? Why do we have to learn this one? The main question will come in the exam. Why do we have to learn that exam? So like before in that, I will discuss about the basic syllabus of that one, and then I will discuss about why do you have to do this certification, what is cloud, and the basic concept of the cloud. So in this first unit, what we're going to cover about this cloud is understand the cloud concept. Why do we have to use that cloud concept? Because the first unit comes around 15 to 20% of exam questions in this first unit. Okay, and then we'll discuss in detail about the IoT things. Why do we have to use this one, IoT Hub, IoT Central, and describe the big data analytics and all. We'll discuss in the unit number first. And then when I go to the unit number, once I think I missed the unit number 2 here. Yeah, unit number 2 is completely discussing about the regions, availability zone, resources. Describe about the Azure Resource Manager and all. So we'll discuss that one in detail. Okay. Unit number 3 about the complete about the support, pricing and support. How much is the cost of that Azure? We'll discuss in detail. Okay, about the zones, about the billing stuff, about the understanding of this pricing, everything we'll discuss. Okay, now understanding of the support will be like SLA. Whenever you are getting an issue, how you will try to ask the Microsoft people. We'll discuss that also in detail and the basic concept of this Azure product. Okay, this is the chapter number 4. Whenever you are getting an issue, how you will try to resolve the issue. What do you mean by like Azure firewall? What is DDoS attack? I think we're going to see the topic called a DOS attack and the DDoS attack. okay, in like a near future. So basically, how we try to do whenever there was attack happened on the cloud, how we try to avoid that one, that also we'll discuss. Okay. So, like a first unit completely discussing about this understanding and monitoring of Azure. Let's just move more further. Understanding of cloud. See, once I talk about this cloud one, what is cloud? Everything will be stored on the cloud. For example, why will the company adapt the policy of using the cloud is company doesn't want to waste their resources. Like for example, company have a requirement of 500 laptops. Company have a requirement of like a 500 like a network devices, routers and everything they want. What company will do? Company will buy that thing from the Microsoft people. Company will not buy those 500 servers in their company. They will take that on the cloud from Microsoft. Are you guys getting understand now? You guys can open your mic and answer. Hassan.
Yes, sir. जी हाँ सर, आ रहा
Yeah, company people what exactly they want. Company people doesn't want to put laptop or the other resources they don't want to buy. If they have the 500 server requirement and the work is only for 5 days, that means company doesn't want to buy 500 servers. In place of that, what exactly they will do? They will just take it from the cloud. Okay, so what exactly they will do? They will just take it from the cloud. How exactly they will take it from the cloud? We'll see it that one. Okay, we will see that one practically. Okay, so these are the basic example of that cloud: Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, or the basic example of that cloud. Okay, so now once I move more further